Hey y'all, we received another game called Super Blocks, and this is what your board looks like. You are going to get a bag, some pieces, and the board, and look at him already showing off with his game. He's on what is this?
Board 4.
Board 4.
So you get all of these pieces, right?
All of these pieces, different colors.
And she's going to tell me, don't you want to read the instruction? And I'm going to tell her, no, I don't read the instructions around here.
As you should, though.
But I was like, once I laid my eyes on the game, I like, man, I knew what to do. I just knew what to do.
And he is doing what it do.
And I do what it do. But it's almost like perfection. And it's like you're looking at all of these pieces, and all of these pieces have shape. Now, see, this is what they're gonna try to trip you up with. Okay, now you gotta match those shapes with these lights, and these holes gotta be where the lights at. Let me do an example for you. This right here. So if you're looking at these, bam, pow. You see how I meet the shapes? But they try to be slick, man, because this particular one right here can be two pieces. So you gotta be very careful, trying to be all cocky and all of that stuff. So
How about slow your roll?
let me slow my roll. Check myself before I wreck myself. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so we're going to think about this for a second and see which one is best to suit it for this one right here. Okay?
All right, so I just asked my husband a question on pause. So this right here means you can only use red. Okay? So if you look at this, you can only use reds, blues, yellows, or greens. So based off of the indicated color, how to play, the goal is to fill the lights with the indicated color. Colors of the puzzle. Okay, so here are your colors right here. So each color has 4 pieces. So let's watch him do another one.
I just press them. Oh, I pressed it back.
Okay, so reds only. And he still did it. Okay. So do y'all get the gist of it? This is another brain game. Y'all, I love these because it gives my husband something else to work with.
So basically this is pretty much this is pretty much almost the same one. It just went back.
Well, again,
Talking about this is Chow's game. This is Chow's play.
it's actually pretty neat. So what do you think about it overall, Book?
I think it's all right.
You think it's all right? Do you like it? Like, do you feel like it's another brain game for you?
It is, I think they all start out slow, and as you get to other boards and stuff like that, and the difficulties level, kind of like progress a little bit.
So what's your rating for this game? 1 out of 10.
So far, I like it. Let me speak on these games like this. They may be seem like, oh man, that's simple, that's boring. It's not no shooting or blowing up nothing and stuff like that. But these games make you make you think. And what I was telling my wife the other day, from the decoding games, I was like, because I be playing that to the point where, I think I'm on level 30. So when you get up 32 or no 35, I think. But when you get up to level 30, they stop giving you clues. Period. You know what I'm saying? And I found myself, at work writing stuff on the work order and stuff like that. And I say, my vocabulary, man. And this is not even a word game, man. I was like, it start opening up, other parts of your brain, and so it's like I start forming my sentences, differently. You know,
What do you start affording them?
differently.
Differently.
Differently. You know, so it helps keep you sharp.
Yeah,
That's what I'm trying
definitely.
to say.
And
It
that's
helps keep you sharp.
But that's one of the reasons why I thought that this would be a perfect game for you, because I was like, as we get older, you guys, we have to do other things outside of picking up our phones. So we have to find other things. One of the things that I told my husband I want us to get into is what? Puzzles. So we have a 1,000-piece puzzle that we're going to start to put together. So we'll definitely let you guys see us as we challenge ourselves with that. But, you know, as you get older, you want to do things that challenge your mind. And this right here is another one that is added to the books. So it comes with a little bag yet again, and it comes with a total of 16 pieces in addition to the board. And once you get everything together, you can go ahead and you can take that thing with you. You can either have the kids challenge themselves and play. And what I love is it says that it is for ages 6 and up. Here's all of their trophies, you guys. They have a lot of different trophies right here. The travel, the game trophy, the brain toy trophy, the brainchild trophy. And I think that one says family choices. Yep. So definitely check them out, you guys. They have tons of brain games. So I will link it below so that you guys can check them out. Okay.